Okay, so the ingredients that I will be using the family size, 2 times our regular size Knorr chicken flavor broccoli rice. Okay, so this is the family size, or you can get 2 of the regular packs of the Knorr chicken flavor broccoli rice size. Okay, also here I have 4 pounds of chicken thighs that I will be using. You can use whatever type of chicken you like, but for my chicken and rice recipe, this 1 dish casserole, the chicken, rice, and broccoli, this will be 4 chicken thighs. It has the skin and the bone on it. So that's what I'm using. Next, I'll be using a can of Campbell's chicken broth and a can of cream of chicken soup by Campbell's. Okay, so that's a can of Campbell's chicken broth, or whatever chicken broth you like, and a can of cream of chicken soup. Just 1 can, and this is the ounces. Okay, for the cans. Okay, also I will be using Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning, 1 packet of ranch seasoning. I will be using garlic pepper seasoning. I'm not going to add any more seasoning other than the garlic and the pepper. Okay, and also I will be using shredded cheese. Okay, so use whatever type of shredded cheese or cheddar cheese or whatever you like, but today I'm using Colby Jack shredded cheese. Okay, or you can shred up your cheese if you like, but these are the ingredients that I will be using today for my rice, chicken, and broccoli bake. And I will be using some broccoli florets. Okay, and this is the net weight in ounces, 12 ounces of broccoli florets. Okay, and I'm gonna bake this in just a regular foil pan because it's easy for cleanup. So that's what I got, just a regular foil pan, y'all, to bake this in. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's get started on our baked chicken, rice, and broccoli recipe. It's a casserole dish. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna season my chicken. Remember, you can season your chicken with other flavors if you like. This is just what I am choosing to season my chicken with today. Here in my pan, I'm gonna add my rice. I'm gonna add the whole pack. This is the family size one, remember, of the Knorr's chicken and broccoli rice. Or you can just get the chicken and rice, okay? You don't have to get the chicken and broccoli one, okay? And this is the ounces. Or you can just get 2 packs of the regular size rice, okay? Go ahead and spread that out evenly in your pan, okay? Next, I'm gonna add in my cream of chicken. Add the whole can, the 1 can of cream of chicken, okay? Then I'm going to add to this pan 1 can of Campbell's chicken broth, or whatever type of chicken broth you like, okay? I'm gonna add my ranch seasoning packet, okay? And now I'm gonna stir this up. Okay, so just go ahead and mix your rice, your chicken broth, and your Campbell's cream of chicken together really well in your pan, so we can move on to the next and final steps, okay? This is gonna be extremely delicious. This is a 1 pan rice and chicken casserole dish with broccoli. If you don't wanna add the broccoli, it kind of gonna take the flavor away, but I know that some people don't like broccoli. But I do. You can also add onions and bell pepper, whatever you like, okay? Okay. So now we have this mixed together, like so. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and I hope you give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned to my channel for some more awesome videos. So now I'm going to take some of this broccoli, and I'm just going to start spreading the broccoli out across my pan, across the top of the rice and the chicken broth and the can of cream of chicken soup. Now, I love a good chicken and rice dish, y'all. I really, really do, okay? So now we have some broccoli spread it across, okay? And now let's move on to our next step. Okay, so now go ahead and add your chicken. Just lay it on top of it. You don't have to do anything else, but just lay your chicken on top of the rice and the broccoli, okay? And remember, you can season yours how you like it. I just like garlic flavor, so that's why I'm using the garlic and the pepper seasoning on my chicken. Okay, so now we have our chicken and our broccoli in our pan, and I have my oven preheated to 350. So cook it between 350 and 375, and we're gonna cook this for about 40 minutes, and then we're going to come back and we are going to add our cheese after 40 minutes, okay? And we're going to cover this with aluminum foil. Okay, I added some paprika for color and a little oil on top of the skin to help crisp up the skin before I'm going to cover it in my aluminum foil, okay? Okay, so I have taken the top off of my chicken and rice and broccoli casserole. What I would like to do, since I had the aluminum foil, I am going to brown the top of my chicken. And then I'm going to put my cheese on it and allow it to melt. But let me go ahead and hit broil to brown the top of the chicken. Okay, everyone, so I browned the top of my chicken. As you can see, here's our rice. It's cooked. It's not soggy. Okay, you can take a fork and you can go in and you can fluff your rice and mix it with those juices to have that flavor. Now, at this point, if you want to add cheese, you can. If you don't want to, you don't have to. Trust me, it's very delicious this way. I'm just going to add a small amount of cheese to mine. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to melt the cheese, okay, for my broccoli, chicken, and rice and cheese casserole, okay. It smells good, and trust me, it is a very delicious and easy and simple dish. Now, depending on the size of the chicken that you have, it may take longer for your chicken to cook, but at least cook it for at least 1 hour, okay, at first before you take the aluminum foil off, if you have some really thick pieces of chicken like I do. But if you're using a chicken breast, it shouldn't, and you cut it up, it shouldn't take but about 45 minutes for the boneless pieces of chicken to cook. Okay, so let me go ahead and finish adding this cheese and put this back in the oven, and I'll be back once everything is complete. Okay, everyone, so my baked chicken and rice broccoli casserole is done. I guess I can call it cheesy baked chicken and rice broccoli casserole is done. It's all done in the oven. It's simple and easy. Just make sure that you cook your chicken well done. Your chicken should reach internal temperature of 160 degrees and no less. I'm going to allow this to sit for about 15 minutes before I serve it up. But I hope you guys enjoyed this simple, easy recipe. Use whatever chicken you like. I just used what I had, which were thighs. These thighs are very thick, y'all. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. Stay tuned to my channel for another video. It's thundering and lightning here in Georgia. It's very dark outside. And I have to go to work today. So I'm going to go ahead and get off this video. Please leave me lots of comments down below. And I'm ready for this to cool off so I can dig in, y'all. Trust me, this is a good recipe. Simple, easy. Remember, cream of chicken soup by Campbell's. Campbell's chicken broth. You can use whatever type of chicken you want. I have 4 pounds of chicken thighs, which is just 4 chicken thighs with the bones in it. The Knorr chicken and broccoli rice sides, okay? And some broccoli florets. I use the frozen broccoli florets. You can get that bag for about $2 at Walmart. And get you some cheese if you like, and put that cheese on there on the top or through it like I did. If you don't want the cheese, trust me, you can omit it. It's still going to be a delicious chicken and rice baked in the oven casserole. That broccoli is going to amp up the flavor with the vegetable. And if you want to add an onion, you can. Thanks for tuning in with Cooking with TK. Peace. Have a great day.